Hey guys, welcome to Tech Use Guru. Today we'll be learning how to auto-update apps in Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to auto-update apps in Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. After opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us at the bottom of the screen just below the personalization in play. Tap on settings and you land on this kind of interface where you can see the network preferences option available for us. Tap on the network preferences and this kind of three options will be available for us where it says auto update apps over here. Tap on the auto update apps, and on this interface when you land over here there are three kinds of option over it. It says update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data, update with limited amount of mobile data when Wi-Fi isn't available, and update the apps over Wi-Fi only. So in order to auto update apps in your Play Store, make sure one of these three options is chosen on your Play Store account, and depending upon the service to which you want your apps to be updated on the Play Store, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, or just a limited amount of mobile data and Wi-Fi, or the update over Wi-Fi only. And with that being said, guys, after choosing one of these three options, your apps will start to update on their own on the Play Store. And with that being done, guys, this is how you'll be able to auto update apps in Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.